Question dito ni Alexis kung ano daw yung marirecommend ko. If magpipili ba siya ng mga level 3 classes namin or if i-avail na yung 1999 which is the all access pass. Just to give you a better overview kung paano mamili kung saang class kayo sasali, you have to ask yourself first. Number 1, gaano kayo ka-determined na magta-transition na kayo to freelancing? Number 2, how much time can you allocate para dun sa learning? Once you've answered all of these questions, the next question you want to ask yourself is, alam mo na ba kung anong service yung i-offer mo? Pag hindi mo pa alam, you can choose between administrative, creative, tech support, or sales. Kapag na-identify mo na, I think I'd go for administrative kasi yun yung may previous experience ako, or you'd probably go with support kasi nag-work ka na as CSR sa BPO before, or you'd probably choose creatives because you're a teacher, you teach graphics design, and you think na yun yung bagay sa skill set mo. Kapag kasi sure ka na kung ano yung iyong service na i-offer, it's easier na to find a mentor or training na iti-take mo para mag-upskill. Pero kung hindi ka pa sure kung ano yung gusto mong i-offer na service, you have two choices. We have what we call the Revamped Basic Work from Home Training Program. It's only 399 pesos, super low commitment, at yung oras niya is Monday to Friday, 6 to 8 sessions lang siya, 6 to 8 p.m. Pero kung sure na gusto mo na mag-transition or freelancer ka na gusto mo na talagang mag-upskill or magkaroon ng additional services na pwede mong i-offer, then you might wanna check yung aming Top VIP All Access Pass. Yun yung 1,999. Isa sa mga bagay na every aspiring freelancers should consider is this going to help take me from point A to point B? Ano ba yung goals mo? Ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve out of this training? Were you looking to learn how to get the untapped client demographics? Or are you just someone na forward thinking? Gusto mong maging sustainable na yung freelancing business mo. So it's really up to you. But if you guys are interested to join any of our classes, all you have to do is click the link in my bio dito sa profile ko. Pagkatapos, it will take you to this page. Pagkatapos, under open classes, makikita nyo na dyan lahat ng available namin, including the top VIP. So, kung top VIP kayo mag-join, i-click nyo lang yan, nandyan na yung information kung paano kayo magbabayad at mag-join. If nasa Instagram naman kayo, ito yung i-click nyo. At in case na hindi gumagana yung TikTok at Facebook, punta na lang kayo dito sa Facebook page ko. Hanapin nyo yung post na ito at makikita nyo doon sa mismong caption yung pinakang link para sa phone. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, nasa description box lang. Palagi yung tandaan nyo, lagi kong sinasabi na hindi mo kailangan ng training para maging freelancer, and the only reason you will be joining a mentorship program such as ours is because you want to learn from a freelancer kung ano yung ginagawa nila sa pang-araw-araw, how did they land their clients, you need someone who will guide you, and you need a more structured environment for learning. Also, just a heads up, kung yung 1999 ang kukunin nyo, puwersahan pong umattend doon ng training, so mapipilitan kayo. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!